There's a specific panic that wakes you up at 3 a.m. when you're in your 60s. You start counting the years that you have left, the years that you lost to depression, to grief, to failure, regret. And then the lie hits you. I've wasted too much time. It's too late for me. Why even bother? It's day 7, our finale. Welcome back. Today we're facing the lie that threatens our legacy. The lie that says our best days are behind us. Let's tackle this lie just like we did all the other ones. We're getting good at this, aren't we? And we're not going to stop here. I'm not. So stay with me until the end because I have a special invitation for you. All right, let's jump into our framework. You know it by now. Step 1, notice. Notice the rush, that feeling of urgency, that frantic feeling inside, saying that you need to make up for lost time. Do you feel that? Notice that feeling. That urgency isn't motivation. It's fear. It's perfectionism telling you that you should be done healing by now, done grieving by now. You fill in the blank. But the key is to notice that feeling. Okay, let's name it. The lie is, I miss my window. My window of opportunity is gone. Name your window. Let me tell you what I'm writing. The damage is already done. Nothing can replace or repair the mess that I've made. I don't have enough time to fix it. You write down the lie that's whispering in your ear. How do you feel about those lost years? Those years of depression? How do you feel? Be honest. If it's anger, express it. Express it on that paper. Okay, let's question that lie now. Ask yourself, does God have a retirement age for his purpose? You spend this time with God asking him if he thinks it's too late for you, if it's too late for your legacy. As I'm questioning my own lies, I'm answering no, no, no to all my ridiculousness. If I'm still breathing, why would I think he's finished? That's what I'm writing. In a few minutes, I'm going to share with you the scripture that I read this morning that confronted my fear, that told me 66 ain't nothing but a number. Okay, it's time to replace those lies that didn't stand up under questioning. Now, here's a truth that's stronger than time. Turn to Philippians 1:6. And I am certain that God, who began a good work within you, will continue his work until it is finally finished on the day when Christ returns. I wrote this scripture in my own words, and what I wrote is that God is not finished with me yet. That's our replacement truth. God is not finished with you yet. Your legacy is still being written. Write that down. Our age is not a deadline. I'm not ready to stop writing my story. Are you? This journal challenge is a way for us to continue writing our story. We're just changing the perspective of our story as we write. I'll tell you more about that when the sand timer stops, but for now, keep writing. 7 days, 7 lives replaced. But as I mentioned earlier, I'm going to keep going for another 14 days. It takes 21 days to rewire our brain. If you want to continue with me, I will be posting the daily prompts for days 8 through 21 right here on the community tab of this channel, Picturing Hearts. So check back tomorrow for day 8. The work isn't done, and neither is God. Keep picturing your heart as God sees you. He notices you. He knows you by name. And without a doubt, He's always with you. You're never alone in the dark.